Hello again, curious brains. Have you ever wondered? Why do we ask so many types of questions? Let's find out. Questions are like keys. Each type of question helps us unlock different kinds of information. Just like we use different tools for different jobs, we use different questions too. Why do we need different types of questions? 1. To get information. Questions help us learn, explore, and understand. 2. To confirm or agree. Yes or no and tag questions help check facts or opinions. 3. To make choices. Choice questions help us decide between options. 4. To be polite. Indirect questions make our words softer and more respectful. 5. To share feelings or ideas. Rhetorical questions express emotions or make a point. Now, let's discover the different types of questions we use every day. Ready? Let's go. 1. questions. These are questions that start with special words like what, where, when, who, whom, which, why, and how. They help us get different kinds of information. Let's see what each one does. A. What, for information about something. Example. What is your name? What do plants need to grow? B. Where, for a place or location. Example. Where do birds live? Where is your school? C. When, for time. Example. When do we eat lunch? When does it rain the most? D. Who, for people. Example. Who is your teacher? Who invented the ice cream? E. Whom, for the object of a verb. Example. Whom did you invite to the party? F. Which, to choose between options. Example. Which color do you like, red or blue? Which book is yours? G. Why, for reasons. Example. Why do we sleep? Why is the sky blue? H. How, for manner, amount, or process. Example. How are you? How does a car work? How many apples do you have? 2. Yes or no questions. These questions can be answered with just a yes or a no. Do you like pizza? Do plants need sunlight to grow? 3. Choice questions. These give you options to choose from. Do you want an apple or a banana? Should we draw or paint today? 4. Tag questions. These questions confirm something we already said. You love cartoons, don't you? You've been enjoying our channel, haven't you? If yes, then please subscribe to Curious Brains. 5. Rhetorical questions. These are asked just to make a point. You don't really need to answer. Isn't learning fun? Who doesn't love holidays? 6. Indirect questions. These sound polite and soft. Can you tell me where the park is? Do you know what time it is? Quick recap, the 6 types of questions. 1. questions. 2. Yes/no questions. 3. Choice questions. 4. Tag questions. 5. Rhetorical questions. 6. Indirect questions. That's how questions make us better communicators and smarter thinkers. Now you know how to ask and answer all types of questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Brains. We've got so many fun topics waiting for you. What do you want to learn next? Tell us in the comments below. See you in the next video.